In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email ID in Hostinger for 2024. Changing your email ID can seem a little daunting if you're not familiar with the Hostinger interface, but rest assured it's a fairly straightforward process if you follow these steps. So let's get started, and we'll walk through each click to make sure you're comfortable with the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. It's important you're in the right place, so make sure you're on the official Hostinger site to begin this journey. Once there, the next step is to log in to your account. To do this, just locate the login button, which you should find conveniently placed on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. This dashboard is like your central command. From here you can access all the different areas of your account. What you're going to do next is direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a profile icon. Click on this and a drop down menu should appear. Select profile from the options available. Now that you're in your profile, the next move is to go into account information. This option is generally easy to spot, but if you're having any trouble finding it, look for it in the menu on the side. Once you click on account information, this will take you into a more detailed view of your profile details. From here you want to find your way to the email section. This will be the place where you can make changes to your current email ID. Click on email to open up the editor. Here you can enter your new email address. Make sure you type it accurately so as not to run into issues or mix-ups later. It might be a good idea to double check everything you input before moving on. Once you've done that, confirm the changes you've made. Always ensure to check your inbox for any verification emails that Hostinger might send to the new address. This step is crucial as it usually acts as a confirmation of the email change process. Follow any additional instructions Hostinger might provide in that email to complete the update process. And there you have it, your email ID is changed. Remember to keep your profile details up to date to enjoy seamless access to all Hostinger services. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or run into any problems.